The BLM emphasizes that spirit of discovery. You come upon a cave, and if you have lights, if you have an adventurous spirit, you can go on in. The BLM manages caves primarily for recreation. Caves are an underground playground. They're ways to explore and experience the earth that you just can't do on the surface. And caves are just fun. They really are. They're playgrounds, you know, that people of all ages can enjoy.
We manage over 2.2 million acres of public land just in Carlsbad. So we're able to use that opportunity to turn it into things that make life better for the public that live here. Whatever you can imagine, we probably have willing partners and a workforce to help develop it for recreation. There's open access, there's facilities to visit, there's natural aspects to enjoy, and that's supposed to be essentially uninterrupted. The public can wake up in the morning and go visit their public lands.
We have partnerships with these oil and gas operators. We work with them to extract the minerals on behalf of the American public. And along with that, extracting the minerals means that there's impacts on the surface or on the ground. And so there's staff within our office, wildlife biologists, archaeologists, there's cave and karst resources. It's very important. So it's not just the oil and gas, it's all these connected activities behind it that makes it so important. There's a need to make sure that our fresh water or water zones are protected, or cave karst, because part of our mission is saving that for future generations, and that's what we're here to do.